Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So let's just first launch the settings app, and after that tap here to the connected devices, then click here to connection preferences, and you'll see here the NFC section. Just to turn it on or to turn it off, you should click here once on the switcher. We can also make visible just NFC icon here on status bar. Now it's turned off, and here now we can set this icon. If you wanna also require device unlock for NFC, you can click here on the switcher. If you wanna switch the payment method, you can click to the contactless payment and tap to the payment default. Unfortunately, I have only one just payment method. This is the Google Pay app, but if you have just more payment apps, so you can switch it to another one. Also, just we have the second way how we can turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi. Just open the notification panel, and after that you'll see here somewhere on the top bar the NFC icon. Just to activate it, click here once, and to turn it off, click on the icon again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.